In today's video, I'll let my 6 years old daughter prepare this jollof rice all by herself.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. I've missed you guys. I'm so sorry that I did not be consistent last week. I think it's the last week I did not post a video at all. Like I just dropped short videos, but I didn't post a video. I'm so sorry. I really need to get myself back. It's not be easy. Yeah, so like I said earlier, my girl is going to be preparing this jollof rice with us. Yeah, so the reason I don't allow kids to be in the kitchen is because I'm afraid that they might get bored or they might injure themselves. Anytime I'm in the kitchen, they always come to kitchen that they want to render help. I was like, you are too small. So I was like, okay, let's give it a try today. She really did amazing job. It was like she has been cooking before. Look at what just happened. She touched the pots, the hot pots. So this is what I'm afraid of. And I asked her if she will go back. Thank God that she didn't burn her hand. She said no, she's not going back, that she wants to make the jollof rice. So I prepared all the ingredients down, and she's adding everything. This is her first time cooking. Yeah, it's her first time cooking. So I've already sliced the onions. She wanted to be putting it one by one, one by one. I was like, hey, if you are doing this, you are not going to leave this kitchen today. So I told her to turn all the onions at once. Then she's adding a curry powder, and she have added a Maggi. Then now adding curry powder. Yeah, you can see how shy she is. She's happy. So she's happy to do it. She was asking me that she should turn all the water, and I said yes, you have to turn all the water because we are going to make use of the water. Did you love to use your meat water to cook jollof rice, or you love to just use plain water to cook your jollof rice? Let me know in the comment section. So we've added our butter and our vegetable oil. We've let it all. Then she's adding sliced onions. So she's adding thyme, and she had a curry powder today. Onions, like, if you want to prepare jollof rice, and want everyone to know that yeah, you are preparing jollof rice, add your curry powder and your thyme in your frying onions and see the magic of the scent and smell that will be coming out. Yeah, so I've added she's adding tomatoes. That's I take tomatoes. I'm not going to say mine because she's the one cooking, right? So she's adding a thick tomato, and we will let it fry before we add our blended pepper. Yeah. So I give her this to hold the pot so that she won't get injured. So I'm trying to grate her nutmeg because she can't do that. The nutmeg so strong. So she's frying a turkey, yeah, in the air fryer. Then she's adding salt in her frying steel and adding water. The feeling she's having right now is the feeling of try your luck. Let me see if I can give you chance. That is the feeling she's feeling right now. She really did her best. Like, in case I want to try it next time, mommy can give me chance. So I watched this rice and I gave it to her. When I wanted to turn this together, she didn't allow me. She wanted to do everything all by herself so that she know that yeah, I'm the one who cook the food. Which is true. She's the one who cook the food. Who put salt and Maggi in food is the one who cook the food, right? So look at the way she's turning the rice. I was like, you don't turn it down. The sauce is not going to enter your rice. So I told her that we should turn it together, and I collect it and I turn it by myself. So this is when the rice has cooked or I've cooked, and we've already had our butter on top of our rice. And she was trying to turn it together. She just don't want me to turn it. She's like, I don't know. I wanted to do it, but she won't allow me. Okay, I allow her to do it, and I pretend that she have done everything well. So I let her go and relax in the sitting room. So I closed the door and I turned the rice well. You can see that we are turning together because she don't want me to do it. So I closed the door and I turned the rice well, turn it deeper down so that the butter is going to go everywhere. Yeah, like this jollof rice is so delicious. In the comment section, are you trying to cook with your kids, or are your kids trying to cook together? Are you really scared of them not to be injured like me? Because I always scared that I don't want them to burn their hand especially girl children. You have to be very careful with them so that they don't have too much injury in their body. You know what I'm talking about. If you have a girl, yeah, you really want to take care of them so that they won't have any injury. And look at her here. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to make thumbnail, but she won't allow me because she's laughing too much. All right, I think I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay well, stay cool. Don't forget to love yourself, and bye.